Okay, good. Sorry for the delay. I'm trying to screen record. I'm trying to screen record. All right, we are good to go. So it's time to present my screen. Let's push forward. So the first thing we need to do is search for a related. Let me share my entire screen. Yeah, so the first thing we need to do is look for a related design. So I said skincare flyer design. You can see we have different types of flyer design. So what looks like what I'm looking for, I'm actually designing for a product in quotes. So I need to be, I'm actually not designing for advertising the skin itself. I'm trying to push the product itself. So I'm going to look for design that carries more products. Let's put it on this. Okay, let's put up on this. I don't like it. It's looking too rowdy. I think this makes sense. Simple, but too simple. This is giving me some kind of vibe. I think I love this. I think I love this. Let me download this. I think I love this. This is looking too simple for my liking. And go back.
Ayobami
I love the
Olalekan,
way
please
this
can
is
you
looking,
mute
but
your
I'm
mic?
doing
Can you
a
mute your
scotchy
mic,
design.
Ayobami Olalekan?
So you have to do deep search intentionally. Okay, I love this one. This looks simple, kind of, yeah, but picking and saying rubbish. Hmm. I think we have one already. Instead of wasting so much time on searching, let's just run with what we have. So I need to go to my downloads to see the particular image I selected. My downloads. Subdivide into modified. Why is it not in my downloads for crying out loud? Where did it say downloads? Okay, black minimalist. Okay, so this is the type of product I want to work with. Now, what do I need to look for? The first thing I need to look for is I need to look for the elements in this particular design. Or what's the issue? Someone is saying she's unable to join. Uh, so I'm going to look for a skincare container. How do I search for that? Now let me put this one on the right side. Then I'm coming to my search bar. freepick.com. I am using freepick.com because that is where I can get this type of asset. So I should come for skin care product container. You can see we have different types of skincare products here, different types of container. So I'm going to select the one that looks best for what I want to do. Okay, let's assume I want to stick to this here. Okay, I want to look for a product that looks close to what we're doing. Okay, now I think there's something we need to understand, the use of keywords. The use of keyword. Initially I just use skincare product container. Now I am changing it to skincare product bottle and tube. So let us see what the outcome will look like. Can you see that it is giving me almost exactly what I need? So for instance, let's say this is what I want to work with. For those who are actually doing next year I'm going to take a class for different niche. If you're a fashion designer, I'm going to take a Canva class on how to use Canva to make your brand better. So it's going to be like a week, like one week for each niche. So if you're a shoemaker, I'm going to ask everyone to give us a list of what they do. Then okay, let me just stick to this guy. Because I don't want to waste time searching. So let me use this man. Did I say man? Let me use this guy, my general thing. So we have one image, widescreen, okay, good. So what do I need to do now? The next thing is I need to move this into my Canva application where we're going to make the design. All right, so I'm going to switch to Canva now. Here we are. What do I want to do? Let me just import my design and my element. So this is my design. This is the design template I want to follow, and this is my design background. Please, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Just raise up your hand, then I'm going to give you the privilege to ask your question. So let me just use my content like this. So if you want to change your, we have our content on the right side, but I want to move this. I want to turn it the other way around. I'll just come to flip and flip horizontal. You can see what happened here. Now I need to give my background the same color like this in order to make it blend. Can you see what happened here? You can see that my background and my design is now blending here. Why am I moving this thing down? Why am I hiding the remaining part of this design? Somebody should type the answer in our chat box. Oops. Please, somebody should type the answer in our chat box. I want to know if you. Yes, we are doing flyer. Yeah, we are doing e-flyer. We are doing e-flyer. So don't forget, this is the template we are running with. It's a skincare product. So the next thing I need to do here is add my text. Sorry, please. So let me say skin please give me a word for this thing. I want somebody save your brother's life. When it comes to content writing, I'm not really good at content writing. But I can design content like, let's say, so let's take skin glow for instance. We have our skin glow is our heading. Skin glow is our heading, and according to design hierarchy, your heading should be bigger, like should be bigger. Don't forget, skin glow is just the okay, okay. I'm looking for there's a name for all these things. Let me search for it here. Skincare products. Okay, let's say bit BTHSCRUB scrub. Yeah, let's assume what we're actually selling is bait scrub. So I want to change my font to something similar to what we have here. What type of font is this? Can somebody tell me? I'm sure we've dealt with types of fonts. We have the I'm still waiting for the answer to this question. Oh, why am I moving this guy down? I am supposed to use everything like this, but I intentionally moved it down. Why? Please, you guys are disturbing me.
Maybe so that it doesn't distract us from the content of the text that we're trying to pass across as well.
The person will have to come later for it. was the carrier? Are you the one navigating? Okay, so the thing is, the person who kept the cable is presently not. Maybe you have to call later. Uh, the person is not available at this moment. Tomorrow, the person I'm coming tomorrow to get it. He will be around tomorrow. For sure. Gospel. Yeah, sorry for the interruption, please. I just have to pop out of the meeting to attend to something. Sorry about that, please. Here, please kindly confirm that you can see my screen with a thumbs up. Okay, someone said so that the other one can come up on top. Okay, that's actually not correct, but it's okay. Yemi Adebayo, thank you for that answer. So, okay, Ayobami said so that it won't be affecting our movement of text. No, not really. Okay, I want to do this now. Please pay attention to the screen and look at what I'm doing. Take a look at this place. Take a look at this place. You can see that there's a difference between this color and this background and our background color. So because Canva won't give me the privilege to do lot of effects on it in order to wipe out this part, Canva won't give me the privilege to do that. Normally, let me just try to use this to explain what I'm saying. Let me just finish this design, then I will take us to Photoshop in order to explain what I'm trying to say. So I don't want to have this difference in shades of background that will now look as if I am trying to merge different images together. I want my design to look like one. So I would have to hide this. You can see that it is not obvious that there is a color blend here. The whole thing looks like one image totally, but it is not one image. We have our background and we have an image. So because I don't want people to see what's it called now, um because I don't want people to see variations in background, so I just have to hide that part where I have difference in shades. Then what next? I need to change this text color to white. White. The color code for white is FFFFF. The color code for black is 00000000. So at some point you might need to learn how to use color codes for those who will be doing design. Now, okay. The next thing I need to do here is add my design content. Get Let's assume we are running a promo. Okay, don't worry, the class is being recorded. The class is being recorded. I'm not supposed to do the recording, but I intentionally record this. So let our mind be at rest. Change this font. Get 3 products. Buy 3. It should be buy 3 products. Let's assume we are doing a promo. Buy 3 products, comma, get 1 free. Let's assume that's our campaign strategy. Buy 3 products, get 1 free. Then what next? I think we should have order now. What do you think? Then after order now, we should have our contact details. What is the contact details? Maybe our Instagram handle. Let us have phone number 09098 986948889. That's my phone number. Then we can have our Instagram handle at finebody_ng. Don't forget that in our design we are making this design for a particular brand. So it means there must be a brand logo in what we are doing. So okay, someone have a question here. Sorry, I have a question, and the question is, how did you add the flyer you are copying on the one you are editing? Okay. I think you've missed some of our classes. Are you talking about this particular flyer I am moving around now, Amiola?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so the same way I added this is the same way I did this. So what I just did is I went to uploads. Either you are using phone or you are using your system, there's always upload icon on your phone. It's plus on your phone. So when you click on upload, you will see upload files. Don't forget that you must have downloaded the file you want to upload. So you just go to downloaded folder, then upload it. Once you upload it, it will settle in one place. Then it will settle at your elements, what's it called now? Your elements space, where you have images, video, audio, but we are dealing with image. So when you click on it, it will automatically enter. When you click on it, it will enter your design. Then you can now adjust it to. So the same thing is applicable to any element you want to bring into your design. Like now, for this one, I think I need to change this guy because it is not in small letter. So I need to change it to a font that can give me small letter. Okay, sorry, at fineboy. Okay, at finebody_ng. Coolly. So that's for Instagram. All right, thank you, Amela. So order now is a call to action. I need to make it distinct from every other thing I'm doing. How do I go about that? I just need to create a call to action button. What do I mean by call to action button? It's like call to action button are button that draw people attention to what you want them to do. What you want them to do. Like if I say patronize us now, what's like order now, what's it called? Follow, like, retweet. Those things are call to action button that tells you what you are it tells you what you are expected to do next. So in order to create a call to action button, I'll go to my element and I want to make it distinct from every other thing I'm doing. Create this. So you should not be limited when you are creating your call to action button. Canva has different what's it called now? Let me make this black. Then my text should be, what should my text be? What color should my text be?
White.
Great. So I can have my text as white, or I can have this guy as
Or can't we use orange?
nice. Nice. I can also have it as orange. Or if my orange is looking too calm and too gentle, some colors are too gentle for our liking. You can just change it to something like, or you can use your color picker. This is a color picker. Pick a color from the design. Come here, pick one design. Pick any color. Or we can just make you like explore. Don't be limited in creativity. You can see that it's looking totally different from what we have here. So now what next do I need to do? I need to bring, then I can also make this guy white, because I think white is better because the contrast is very high. Is somebody seeing what I'm seeing?
I see.
So I can add effects to this guy now.
We don't know what you are saying. No, please tell us.
Sir?
I say we don't know what you are saying. No, you please tell us.
Okay. What I'm saying is, initially this color was black and I changed it to orange. So there is this thing that happened here. Immediately I change it to orange, the color automatically blend with my design. Let me change it to black. Can you see that this black color is looking you
It's
know
sharper. Came
yeah,
out well.
kind of sharp,
Unlike the
and
other.
it's
That's
dominating
good.
somehow. But I want a
We need more
blend.
action.
It actually depends on what you want to do. For me, I'm
Mm.
trying to achieve a blend in the tone of my design. Then I introduced this. So here I can make my text white, or I can also, okay, I can now create, I think there should be a word before this phone number. There should be a text before this phone number. A sentence like, for more information. So for more information, contact then these numbers. I'm sorry guys. So the next thing I need to add here is I just need to add my social handle element. That's WhatsApp icon, and what other thing? So mind you, you know that our design has a sequence. We have white, orange, black in this design. In order not to download the whole flow, if I add this green here, like I have altered my design color flow, it does not make any sense any longer. So instead of doing this,
Bye
I will
bye.
just go to what's the name of this platform? I'll just go to okay, let me say let me do PNG egg WhatsApp icon. I'll just pick on this black.
Sorry, sorry.
Are you asking a question? I'm coming. I think I have a question. Okay, so let's proceed. Download pngegg.com. Download. Then I'll come back to my design and upload. So here is my WhatsApp icon. Reduce it. Don't hesitate to zoom when you need to zoom so that you won't struggle and your design output will not be great. Undo. So the next thing I need to insert is Instagram. Let me check if I'm going to get Instagram icon here. Oh no, I mean on my element, Instagram icon, black and white. Okay, I have white and black. I mean I have, let me see if I can get black. Yeah, I should be able to change the color. Okay, great, black. Fine, fine, fine. If I can get Instagram black, I should be able to get WhatsApp black and white. Let me see if I can use this guy. Undo. Okay, I won't be able to use it because it's small, kind of. Sorry about that, please. Canva. Yeah, so here is our design. There is something here. Okay, sales up to 50% discount. So instead of using sales up to 50% discount, we can now come here. Where's our element? Let's come to element and do Black Friday. Let's assume Black Friday is our call to action, like is what we are doing. Let's assume what we are doing is Black Friday sales. Can you see how we are building up our design? Can you see how we are building up our design gradually, 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 gradually? So if this is not looking great, look for another element. If you don't like what you are seeing here, let us try this. Now, when I insert this element, I have a color here, red. Can you see that I have changed it to suit what we are doing? So those are part of the advantages of using Canva elements. look at this 3D element. This one looks cool. Up to 50% discount. If this one is saying up to 50% discount, then it means the information here, buy 3 products and get 1 free, is going to change. So we are not using these. Let us just look for another Black Friday sales. Black Friday sales. Look for, just look for anything that works for you. I think this works for me. Now let's assume I am done. So I want to make another design. Let me duplicate this now. I will delete all this old information. I want to make another design entirely that looks more better than this. So I want to quickly run through another design that looks better than this. So let me just use, I want to make, okay. Let me go to pngegg.com, search for, um, what's the name of this thing again? I'm coming. Okay, let me just do something real quick. Is my Photoshop on? Okay. Let me download this. Let me try this and see if it will work for what I want to use it for. Let me download this. Okay, I think this should work. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to go to Photoshop, open, downloads. Let me work with this. So what I'm doing here is I am trying to combine the use of Photoshop application and Canva together. So the next thing I need to do here is let me remove my background. Remove background. Let's see what we have. No. This is not giving me what I want. Which part is missing? No, I don't want us to go through this route. I'm not getting a perfect container I need to work with. Okay, let me work with this. This class will end any moment from now, but I'm going to drop this recording for us to see. PG. Upload. Dun. Copy this information. Copy this information, paste it here. Bit scrub. Change the color. So you can improve the design and the color and change the font to something that looks really great. No, I don't like this font. No, this is not CorelDRAW, this is Canva. So you can reduce the
Sorry, please, I
opacity
can't
of.
see your screen, no.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I can't see your screen. I'm not seeing anything.
Please, who else can see my? Can you see my screen? If yes, please thumbs up. Wow, you might. Don't worry, there's recording. Then we are going to copy all this other information, paste it here. Okay, let me just do one. We have 8 minutes left for this class to end, but the few minutes we have, we are going to make it worthwhile. We're going to make it worthwhile. So I need to send this guy to the back. Order now, then for more information, contact. So with this now, I cannot go and look for a different background that that is far better, because I have changed my design concept. So in the process of design, so many things will definitely change while you are designing. Just be flexible. So my design background will definitely change to this. I'll make this white, make this pink, make my design alignment centralized. Every other thing will now centralize. So we've used the same information to make another design. Then let me copy Black Friday here. Black Friday cannot come to play here. Can you see what I'm increasing? Make this, let's say, yellow. This has to change to black. So I think we have two designs now with the same information. Then we download. So for those who are downloading multiple items, cook by date modified. So now if you download multiple items on Canva, it will come out like this. What you need to do is you need to right click on it. It will come out as zip file. Right click on it and click extract file. When you click on extract file, you will have then look for it. Okay, this is it. So when you open it, you have one. This is option 1, and this is the second option, option 2. That's all. I am dropping this on our WhatsApp group like right away. So we've come to end of today's class. I'm going to drop this video immediately I get home. I'm sure we are able to pick one or two things. And I'm sure that once we follow this video tutorial, we are going to get it. The class is recorded, don't worry. So the class is recorded. I'm going to share the recording after now. So thank you everyone for joining tonight's class. Let's call it a day. I'm going to drop the link immediately the file is uploaded. Thank you everyone. Do have a wonderful night rest. Bye. Yes. Stop.